In your Globe Smart Floodlight box, you will find the Smart Floodlight and large mounting bolt, mounting plate, mounting bracket, 3 wire nuts, 4 junction box screws, small mounting bolt, a rubber plug, and the instruction sheet. Download the Globe Suite app from the App Store or Google Play on your mobile device and follow the on-screen instructions to log in or register. If prompted, allow Globe Suite to send notifications to your device. To install the Smart Floodlight, you will need safety goggles, a Phillips head and Phillips flathead screwdriver, a hammer, a level, and silicone sealant. Line up the holes on the mounting bracket with the holes on your junction box and use the 2 junction box screws to secure the mounting bracket in place. Connect the 3 wires from the floodlight's mounting plate to the 3 wires in the junction box using the wire nut to attach the wire ends together. Connect the green ground wire to the house ground wire. Connect both white wires together. Finally, connect both black wires together. If the wires from the junction box are not long enough to make a direct connection, please extend the wires. Once connected, place the wires in the wire terminal. Place the mounting plate against the junction box and make sure that the up arrow is pointed upward. Insert the small mounting bolt through the mounting plate hole. Tighten the bolt until the mounting plate feels secure. Align the bottom edge of the floodlight with the bottom edge of the mounting plate. Insert and tighten the large mounting bolt through the floodlight hole. Place the rubber plug over the hole to cover the large mounting screw. Caulk completely the area where the mounting plate meets the wall surface with silicone caulking compound to prevent water from seeping into the outlet box. Once installed, power on your Smart Floodlight. The small LED on the front of the floodlight should start blinking automatically. If it does not, you can manually put it into pairing mode. Press the reset button on the back side of the camera for 5 seconds. The small LED will start flashing. Once it is blinking rapidly, this means your floodlight is in pairing mode and is ready to connect. To connect to your Smart Floodlight, ensure you are connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. In the Globe Suite app, choose Add Device or tap the plus sign in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Tap Manual at the top of your screen, then tap Floodlight from the available options. Confirm you are in pairing mode and tap Next. When prompted, confirm your Wi-Fi name and password. Tap Next. Wait a few moments for the floodlight to connect. Once your device is listed, tap Done. You can now control your Smart Floodlight directly from the Globe Suite app. On your device list, tap the floodlight to go into its controls. At the top of the floodlight's control panel is a live video feed from the device's camera. To control the floodlight's 2 LED light panels, tap Light near the middle of the screen. Then tap the power symbol to turn on the light panels. Once on, you can select your desired color temperature and brightness from the 2 sliders in the light control panel. To switch the light from white to color, tap the Color Mode tab to access the color, saturation, and brightness sliders. Press the X in the top right-hand corner of the panel window to save your changes and exit. To take a photo, press on the button with the camera icon. The photo will be saved to your album, which you can access by pressing the Album tab at the bottom of the screen. To record video, press the button with the video camera on it to start, and then press again to stop. The video will be saved to your album. To use the intercom feature, press the button with the microphone icon and hold down while you speak. To enable the motion sensor, press the eye icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. In the motion sensor settings, press Enable. Once enabled, you can choose to set a schedule for the motion sensor to turn on. Select the area coverage of the motion detection, set the sensitivity of the motion detection, and set the light to either turn on or off if motion is detected. Once customized, tap the back button to return to your floodlight settings. For additional security, your floodlight is equipped with overnight lighting options. Tap the rising sun icon and enable the dusk to dawn feature. The dusk to dawn feature allows you to set a specific color and brightness for your device to stay on overnight. Set the feature as desired with the light control sliders or the color mode options. Connect your floodlight with a voice assistant and control your device even when you don't have your phone or tablet. Hey Google and Amazon Alexa can be connected directly through your Globe Suite profile, while Siri commands are created within Smart Scenes. To pair your device, go to your profile, and then tap Integration. Select the voice assistant you would like to link your device to and connect your account to the Globe Suite app.